All right, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's Bible FX, and I'm here to show you the magic we are performing here on the boom and crash market. In fact, on the whole synthetic indices market. But before we go further, if you want to join, if you love this video after watching it and you love to join the VIP signal group, or you want to learn how to trade, you want to be mentored, or you want your account managed for you, check the description of this video. You find the link to my WhatsApp where you can hit me up directly for account management and VIP signals and also mentorship. And if you want to join the free Telegram channel, you check on the description. You still find the link to our free Telegram channel. It's free to join. The Badge B channel is now open and it's free to join, so you can actually just get in there and we'll see on the other side. So guys, this morning we've given our signals to our VIPs, and it's just a good day. So this morning we've given out the step index and the boom 600, and guess what? It's spiking, giving us profits that we actually worked hard for. So this, I'm gonna just take you in to show you why we went into this trade. Now this is the H4. Wow, this H4 is looking so beautiful. Like, he's looking too fine because it's just going to be going all the way up. It's going to be going all the way up. If I'm to give my utmost prediction, first and foremost, this is going to be a TP2, TP3. If at all we have a TP3 will be, this is going to be, in fact, this is where we take our last TP2. So I expect market to buy up to that level. Now, why did we get into this market? Now, if you look closely, this is the H4. Over here is a strong support. Why is that a strong support? Because market has tried breaking this place, is not been able, but now it came back to take out this previous low. So taking out this previous low alone, and I also noticed that the candlestick here, there was a very huge pullback. Now let's see the H1 so that you can see that pullback clearly. Okay, so this was when market got all the way here. It started buying before dropping, so it dropped all the way down here, which I was able to set my SL there. Why I went into this trade also is because my SL was not far from my entry. Had it been the market had gone far away, like maybe it was somewhere here, I wouldn't go into the trade anymore. Maybe because, except I'll see another pullback, like a rejection like this before going in. So when I saw this rejection, okay, market came here, went to buy. Then this rejection here, when it came down, when I saw it, I knew that the next candlestick was going to be a bullish one, and I went into the market. If you see, it went just close there immediately. Although it sold a bit, okay, it sold a bit, but it was not even close to half. Oh, wow, another spike just came there, guys. Another spike for the team. We are catching spikes over here, and we are now in more profit. Boom 600 is giving us the day of its life, and we're very glad to be here. It's very, very massive, bro. So if you want to join, make sure you do what I said earlier in this video. So explaining why I got into that market, that is why the rejection was just too sweet. Imagine, even you now coming in to see this candle, this H4 right now, you'll be very glad that it's giving you an opportunity to buy. So that's why we got into the boom 600, because of this resistance and this candlestick, okay, and also this previous low was taken out. Okay, it came down to that level, a perfect entry for a buy. So our SL was just beneath it. Just see, imagine this is the TP, this is the SL, very close, very, very close. So now let's jump into, I was also looking at crash 300 for a sell. Oh, I was looking for it for a sell. I'm still actually observing it, so once it gives us that opportunity again, I'm gonna jump right into it. But for your information, we already predicted while we were buying once upon a time, like 2 days ago, I predicted market that it's going to buy to this level before dropping. Although it came close, but it didn't drop, and we have missed out on this. Remember what I said? Now this one came, took away the previous like the high. Okay, it took away this high. Once it took away this high and went to that level, that would have been a perfect entry for a sell, but we are not available to take the trade and it's too late for us to take it. But we are still looking at capturing a sell. Okay, so we're just going to wait for it to get to a certain level again, maybe to that point, before we give it back to the VIPs, and we're going to see if the market is going to bless us again. So that's the crash 300. But I also got into the step index. I went in for a buy. That's a SL. Oh, I didn't set my TP, so I think my TP is gonna be, my TP is here. My TP is actually there. I think 7991. 7991. Okay, 7992. Very close. So that's where the TP is set. So we're actually looking for market to go to that point, and we're gonna cling onto it. So why did we get into this step? Step is actually an uptrend. Now look at this also. Took away this previous low all the way up, and also it's an uptrend. So we are not actually trading against the trend. So with these three little explanations I've shown you on these 3 pages, okay, should give you an insight to what market actually looks like and how we're winning in the VIP. Okay, so we're actually banging this trade right now, and we're very glad to do it. So guys, we are still into this boom 600 trade, and it's still buying massively. You see the money we are making, it's massive. It's almost approaching our TP. So on our TP we'll be getting $34 each position, and we risked just $11. We risked only $11, so that's an RR of 1:2. Also take a look at the step index cooking. Our TP is still far though. We are looking at $75 per position, but I've already told him to start taking out some already. These are already $30. We reached $17 to make that amount. So when we hit this TP, it's gonna be what celebrating with the VIPs today. So I know we're gonna hit the TP soon, and it's just gonna be magical. All right, so after everything, we've been able to hit our TP on the boom 600. Let me show you the chart. This is not magic. This is real. Trading is not a scam. Trading is real. Let's take a look at that VIP. We've smashed TP how many times? A couple of times now. Yesterday, we were able to hit 2 TPs. Okay. This was 2 for day before yesterday. I mean, we're banging profit over here. So you can't miss out on not becoming part of this team, because we are just here to make money. Okay, so jumping back to the step index, while smashing our TP on the boom, we are about to smash our second TP of the day on the step index. Take a look at this, guys. It's moving massively. This is a lot of money for a team. We've raised this account to 1,000 today. I mean, we were on 400 earlier on when we started this video, but ending the day today, we are ending with $1,000. And I might actually just have to close out on these positions just to maintain that profit. So do well to join the VIP group. If you want mentorship, account management, want us to grow your account for you, check the description of this video.